hello, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Another day, another time, another vlog. I'm coming straight from East Africa, Kenya, in a small village called Nyabohanse. Yes, guys, today, it's another day. I'm harvesting arrowroot. Just a small portion. You can see, guys. My daily job. Always, this is my daily job. Last time I was weeding, digging, and today I'm harvesting. Not a big portion, but a small portion. You can see. Yes, guys. This is how we harvest. Let me show you. Like this one is already harvested, guys. Wow. If it's not today, it's not another day. It's not another day. Yes, guys. How are you? Hope you are doing good, my subscriber. I could like to thank you all. Say thank you so much. I also thank you. I say thank you to God for the gift of life. Guys, you can see now I'm harvesting with my friends. Yes. This one is the one who is putting in the sack. I'll have to show you how we put them in the sack for them to travel to Nairobi. Yes, guys. Say hello. Wow, nice, guys. That's the one whom helps to arrange them in the sack. Another day, another vlog, guys. You can see the buyer. The buyer has a panga. Hey. Oh, yo, the buyer now. This is the one who brings money in the shamba, and he gives me money, and he takes the arrowroots. Say hello. He doesn't know how to say hello. He's very busy. He's very busy. Yes, guys. I could like to thank you all, my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. For the new viewers, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Yes, I go by the name Go with Ole. That's my beautiful name. Thank you all that have subscribed. I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted, guys. Yes, they are complaining about they want me to put inside the sack and take it to the motorcycle there around there. You can see, guys. This is major. This one is called the major. Yes, guys, this one they are not yet. They have not yet been. This one, they are still growing. The other ones are still growing. They are not yet ready for harvesting. Just like 2 to 3 months, I'll be harvesting. But this one is ready for harvesting. Yes, guys. Oh, the leaves are so brown. Don't pass. want to go and show you how they are putting in the sack. How they are putting in the sack, guys. Wow, it's raining. You can see the rain now. Wait. Camera inanyesha. It's raining, guys. You can see raining is blessing. We can't complain. Like me, I'm a farmer. I like when it's raining. We have to pass here. These are thorns. What? Hii jacket ni ya nani ba? We have go and look for a shade. We have to go and look for a shade where we can go and have a shelter for the rain to stop. You can see, guys, the rain is wow. Wamejikinga wapi? Very good. It's raining, guys. You can see. This is where we have come to get our shelter. Mzungu. Usionekane. Ukionekana ni meja. The place is not safe. You can see it's still raining inside here.